Okay, dear students, one question having 0 to 100 integration 0 to 100 greatest integer tan inverse x dx. This is greatest integer having. Okay, this type question JEE Mains Advanced ask the question. Okay, how to solve this type of question? So first, this question. Okay, you draw the graph greatest integer tan inverse greatest integer. Okay, first you draw y is equal to tan inverse x graphs. So first remember, this is x having, this is y, this is x dash, or this is y dash. Okay, so first greatest in the graph, this x value having some. Okay, so first this is pi by 2. So pi by 2 what graph? Infinitive. This is also minus pi by 2 is also infinitive. I draw one graph in this point. Up now tan inverse draw 0 to 0. This graph going to this way. Properly understand by very good question having this type graph. Okay. Up now you this value put a maximum value what having? 1 having 0 to 1. This value also 0 to minus 1. Up now one line draw 0 to 1 parallel to x-axis. This is parallel to x-axis. This graph. Now understand that this point what? This point intercept this point what? This point x1 comma 0. Yes or no? Okay. The x1, this value x1, the x1 value finds means y is equal to tan inverse x is equal to what? 1. What this 1 na? Y is equal to 1. So x is equal to what? Tan 1. 1 radian have not degree. 1 radian. This value approximate value come 1.55. This value 1.55. But you consider tan 1. You consider tan 1. Sir. This value tan 1. This value what come? Okay. Na? Up now this value what? 1.55 comma 0. Up now this is greatest integer. Y is equal to get tan inverse greatest integer. Understand? Now greatest integer, the 0 to 1, this value. 0 to 1. 0 to 1, x value what? 0. Greatest integer this na? This value 0. Understand? X value 0 to 1 value put, the greatest is 0. 0.1, 0.2, 0 all come. Up now, this value having 1, the total up to 100. Question what having? Up to x is 100. So this value up to 100 goes. This parallel to x-axis. Our integration what? 0 to 100. So 0 to this 0 to 1 to 0 na. Of this graph area find. This area find. So this value what? 100 minus tan 1 into this area length into breadth. Length this, breadth this, the 1. So what answer? 100 minus tan 1. So this final answer what? This answer final 100 minus tan 1 answers. Okay. So this type of question asked JEE Mains Advanced, properly study. Okay. Bye sir.